So my people, look at what I bought when I went to Africa shop last time. So now I'm going to try to cut it, wash it, prepare it and put it in the fridge or in the deep freezer so that it will stay good whenever I need it, because I don't know when I'm going to use it yet. So if I want to cook, I can use it to cook. Maybe I will use it to make egusi soup, to impan the yam, or prepare it like that to eat yam. So one of the two. Can you still remember this Africa fresh leaf that is very good, very healthy for the body, and also produce a lot of iron, or maybe something else that your body needs to stay healthy? So who can remember it? If you can remember it and you know what is called, the name of this vegetable here, just write it, let me know. I need to know the name again. If you know what it's called, let me know. Just write it on the comment. You see, it's so fresh, beautiful and fresh. So I'm going to start now preparing it, cutting it in pieces. Wash it very well, because you know those vegetables, they come with sand. If you don't wash it very well, that is why you see some people make it, when you are eating it, you will be biting sand inside. It is very important to wash it very well, clean it up very well, and take the weak one out. This, like this, something like this, you don't have to prepare it, those one you have to cut them out of it before you start cutting the good one. So if you know the name of this vegetable, let me know. Write it on the comment section, fan. It's very healthy, but we hardly see it here in Europe, and it's very difficult to see it. It's once in a while, especially where I live in my village. Oh yo, maybe the whole year you will not even see it. It's because I went to another big city that I was even able to buy it. So it's once in a while you see it, but it's very good, and it tastes so delicious, because I like eating it, especially when I was in Africa before. I used to eat it a lot. When my mom would just prepare it like that, to use it to eat yam. Oh, it's so yummy, so delicious. So I'm going to prepare it now.